I like about Sunday is meal prep day. So I want to use an example here of how I go about it. So I have 1 kilo of minced beef right here. I have 1.5 kilos of chicken breast right here. So on this side, what we're going to do is make a chicken stir fry, and I use a few sauces. So I have sweet chili sauce, I've got hoisin sauce, I've got some soy sauce there as well. And I chop all that up, I put it into an electric fry pan, a big one, and that will make me about 10 serves. With the minced beef, what I do is I use these vegetables, I use some canned tomatoes and some herbs like rosemary, oregano, a little bit of salt, and I also use some basil. Stir all that up and I cook it up in a big pot on the stove behind me, and that makes about 8 to 10 serves right there. So just out of those two dishes, it will take me, by the time it all cooks, probably about 45 minutes, and then that'll give me about 22 serves that go straight in the freezer ready for next week. And I just alternate those between lunches, dinners, and it's really cool. So Sunday's the day to do it. I'm supporting Ferrari today in the Grand Prix, and let's go. Let's get all set for the week ahead. It all comes down to what happens in the kitchen. The growth happens in the kitchen. The health happens in the kitchen, not in the gym.